Welcome back. Today I'm going to take this here apart, but first the battery seems to have just be shot now. I don't know, it won't start. I wanted to move it a little bit and I'll show you. Anyway, someone's seen those other jumper packs I had and that they weren't working, so the guy sent it over. And there it is. It's 12 and 24 volt. And it's got the fancy light on it. So, and it doesn't, it's supposed to, I haven't used it yet, it's supposed to not need power at all. It can be, this thing is completely dead. I'll show you. It's going to do that. No lights, no nothing. Now the key don't even come out to that solenoid don't work unless there's power. So, all right. I got all the dead batteries. That's fine. So you do this. So that was flashing. And you push 12. Oh yeah. Completely dead battery and it started right up. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. So I'll put a link in this for this in the description. That one's really good. It's got the 24 volt too. Right? And USB charger. Oh, that's noisy. I'm gonna hit nothing in there. Something's making noise. Well, I'll work on this thing. I gotta get this thing apart. Gotta take this apart so I know what tools to bring to salvage yard. So I'll bring a bunch of tools. Like that. What the? I don't have any making keys because they're already full of stuff I've been taking apart. Don't worry about taking stuff apart and not getting it done right away. Like that car over there. Need all that broken plastic. What's this shit? Why? Why does it want to do that shit to me? It's Buzzard's fault. That's who I'm blaming. Fuck. Blame Buzzard. Man, what the? King, this is your fault. Get that stupid snap. You already broke in. I gotta hook a chain up to that right there and pull it back out because it's, you know, yeah, it's in there. I'll see. This side's touching and that side is not. about it being on. Oh, I didn't need to take that one out. Just pulling bolts for no reason now. Everything that's supposed to hold everything is all, the plastic's all busted. Okay. This radiator and out here. Why do you want to stay in there? Oh, that's nice. You don't worry about the top of the radiator having a big asshole in it. You just kind of see it. I gotta grab my other camera. That's fine. Those headlights are crap. It had washers that went to them for some reason, but there's a washer hose. That's no good either. Wow. You don't need to worry about collecting all that shit. Those shots anyway.
So yeah, I talked to Charlie. Dad's gonna come up with me Tuesday, and he said, "Yeah, I'll give you $300 to cut." So make sure you bring your tools and stuff and a list of what we need. I said you could pretty much get it all, maybe even for less. I don't know, but I need 3 at least for sure. And I told him I'll give him 100 down the road for pitching in, or whatever.
Never mind.
Okay. And he said you could talk to him too.
Wow. Well, there you go. It's a pile of shit now. Hot pile. I don't dare take the radiator all the way out. I needed to know what I needed for bolts, but I'm not unhooking those. I'm not having trims fluid everywhere. Fancy. The car is white I'm getting the parts from, but it's got everything. The bumper, the grill that's broke off the hood, headlights, the headlight mounts. I don't really need the headlights, new ones. And then some other shit. I wonder if this thing will start. Think that'll start? I don't know. The battery's probably dead on that. Let's see. It's been. Yeah, this. Jeez. I'm worried about it being so damn shit. It's fine. Thank God got no gas. Hey, what happened? Let's turn it over. What the? We had this since we had 39,000. We're all in miles. I ain't barely broken. Guess I don't want to start, but I'm not going to use that jumper pack. This here. Just wanted to see what I could. Man, I broke the top right out of that thing. Should be able to shut that. There. Oh yeah, just a pile of broken plastic. Oh, there's somewhere in there. There. Oh, I did some. Okay, so yeah, it's just take all that out of there. Man, there's plastic everywhere. All down here, just chunks of plastic laying everywhere. That's fine. Man. So I wonder what there's something making a racket. Racket? I don't know what that is. New water pump in there. It's probably this idler pulley or this. I put a new alternator in it too, and it's a Delphi. Still making noise, but so I'll have to. I'm gonna go get parts tomorrow for it. Alright, Tuesday I think I'm going. Yeah, Tuesday. Get some parts. Gotta drive to a little over 100 miles. I gotta get that pulled off. I just wanted, like I said, I just wanted to see if what I needed for tools to get this thing apart. That's just nice. Man. This car only had like, I don't know, 100,000 on it when I bought it, and it's got 200 on it now. Just driving the hell out of this stuff. Oh, I need I was hoping to get a whole car, but I need the front end, that because it's got that auto four-wheel drive. So they called, I can't remember what it's called, but I've heard it called a disco ball before. And I told people, don't be putting it in auto four-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive, that's it. No auto, because down the road it's locking in for no reason, unlocking, it's just, yeah, it's disco balling in there. It's constantly back and forth. So, like I said, it was a, you know, it's nothing fancy. Like that Dodge over there with the wheels falling off it. It was kind of nice when we got it, but it's getting old. It's got the leather, now it's got, oh yeah, I don't understand why they gotta do this either. You don't need all this in the cars these days. That's the shit. I've got all the, yeah, you don't need extra fuses and under the seat like that Cadillac I have had battery under the seat. The Vehicle Saber, the battery is under the seat. Need that stuff like that under the seat. So I'm gonna get all the parts for it, put it together. It's gonna have a white front end on it. Well, I'm gonna primer it, I think. Black primer it until I can paint it. black primer. Yep, and it'll probably stay that way. That's what I'm thinking. At least it'll be together.